Here are my alarm clocks I have. I have a couple of different brands of alarm clocks. Be- because over the years, I've collected them over the years. Uh, I've I've been in an alarm clock kick years ago, and this equity is one of them. I don't know if it's the first one I collected, but I don't know. But all I know it's one of the older 31-100s, and it has an on-demand orange backlight. I really like that. It's like a amber orange, but in the camera it looks white or warm white. It's a good clock. Honest, it's really nice, and it has alarm on and off. And I could show what the ascending alarm sounds like on this one. By like that's the bell icon here. Oh, sorry, I'm just trying to get it to. With this one, it's like it used to get louder, but it has that ascending alarm, and then I think you click it and it snoozes after I don't know how many minutes. Let's move that out of the way. Here's my Advanced 3373. This one has these cool colored backlights. In the camera, this red looks pink, and it's actually red, and that is yellow. It seems to show the green and the blue and the yellow, but the red shows pink. Sorry, excuse me, I'm tired right this minute. This is a plug-in alarm clock with a 9-volt battery backup, which the alarm I'm gonna get to is one of the battery-operated ones I just use when the power's out, too. It has alarm off, alarm on, which is red, but it looks pink. I could, this switch is a bit finicky. The old, granted, this alarm was like 15 years old, so it's just finicky. So, alarm. Oh, God, I got the alarm set for a time. Maybe get it to go to. See, it's more of a, like a raspy, like, I really haven't really much cared for what it, like this type. I really didn't care for the alarms that had that buzzer sound to it. I don't like it. It's not appealing to me. But this one is more of the beep alarm. Here is a little Elgin travel alarm. It's broken there, but I had to fix it. And it works very well. It's also made by Advanced Clock. It's also made by the same brand as this. But this has a beep alarm, and this has a different dial. It has a dial on top. It has alarm on, alarm off, alarm set and time set. So I'm going to switch it over to time set. And it said 9 o'clock. So to do it, you just press here. Oops, I passed it. Sometimes I don't like when I pass. I have to keep. And then minute. And I like how it has the tactile buttons. I used to have an advanced model. I think I might know it somewhere around here. I'm going to set it to go off at 5:40. With some time. 5:39. But this Elgin is a very nice clock. Now this one, this has an ascending alarm and it's not quiet. I think this one's getting old with age and the quietness, it used to be loud. I remember one time it used to be loud and it kept beeping and it was loud and clear. And this one is always loud and I don't like the buzzer alarm. It's just doesn't appeal to me like the other, like the beep alarms. This one has an on-demand orange backlight. This one has the rainbow numbers. This Elgin right here, I'm going to show you what the light looks like after it goes off. And as you can tell, this one gets louder than that one. That one gets, it's like, it's an ascending alarm. It gets me up, and let me show you what the backlight looks like. Hold on, I don't know if you can even see it. It's a really nice orange backlight. This, I don't know how many minutes snooze this one has. I think it's a 5-minute interval. I have no clue. Can't even find a box or an instruction manual for that anymore. Let alone I don't know what model number it is. There is the Advance 3373. And the Equity 31100. And I can show you what other features this has. This is just a nice simple old analog plug-in. Yes, and it also has this ascending alarm. Then I just turn it off. And anyways, it has this bell icon to set the alarm. This has the wrong time on it. I don't know how I got it for the wrong time. From daylight savings, forgot to change it. God, I am so tired right now. Oh, there we go. Now, okay, time. The time's wrong on it. It's 5:44, not 7 or 6:44. There we go. It's 5:44 and the alarm is that's there. And I'm going to set one of the alarms to go off at midnight, maybe both of them. So maybe get the bell up to the 12. When it's midnight, it's rings in the new year, this alarm will. No, there we go. At exactly 12 midnight, this alarm is gonna beep. I don't know if I want the Elgin to go off. I don't know if I want the advance to ring in the new year. I'm just gonna set it for the right time anyways, just because. Make sure the alarm isn't gonna go off at 3 tomorrow morning. God, I would not be happy. Time. With this one, you just have to. It's 5:45, and I need to set it to the right time. It's 5:45 p.m., not a.m. Not 5:12. That's my. I think there's the Elgin ringing at 5:45 p.m. There we go. And then to turn it off, you just grab the dial here and you just turn it off. And I'm also gonna set this maybe to go off at midnight just in case, because I want it to. Just to go to set alarm. That's time set, not alarm set. Midnight. Alarm is now on. Got my Elgin. Put my Elgin there. My equity. This this has the cool Elgin script logo. This has a cool cursive equity logo that they still have. And this on the bottom has like the blocky advanced logo, which I really like. So here are all of my alarm clocks I have right now. Who knows, I might have more lying around somewhere. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye!